So in this video, we get to showcase an incredible listing by our colleague, Brandi Ross. Go Brandi, here in the 93720 zip code. So if you are looking in a 720 zip code here in Fresno, California, and you're looking for Clovis Unified and energy conscious features are important to you, like a owned solar, dual pane windows installed for the last 2 years, and a newer AC unit for the last 2 years. Stay tuned to the end. We get to showcase 9270 North Jade Avenue. We are Shepherd and Sommerville, Shepherd and Chestnut. If you go north, it changes from Chestnut to Sommerville, and we get to showcase that property or this property to you shortly. Actually, we're going to do it right now. Welcome. And so I hope those features have piqued your interest again on 9270 North Jade Avenue. And if this further piques your interest to establish a private showing, we'd be honored to provide that for you. Just DM me the word Jade, J-A-D-E below, and we'd be honored to set your private showing on this great property. Again, it's a Fresno address and a great zip code 93720, a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. Also, there will possibly be a 5th bedroom in that little alcove that I showed you during the video. The 3 features, again, of this property that may definitely pique your interest if you're energy conscious. We do have a solar owned, about 24 panels. I don't believe we have a true up on this house. We do have, again, an updated AC unit, less than 2 years old, and actually it's 2 years young. We have dual pane windows throughout. Not only is it a great insulator for the weather, but for sound as well. And the area, again, is conducive to the Clovis Unified School District, nationally acclaimed. So if those features, again, the energy conscious features of a solar owned 24 panel, if that's important to you and your family, the opportunity to go from a 4th, possibly even a 5th bedroom, that is also, if you find appealing, and that that the Clovis Unified School District is appealing to you, be sure to give us a DM below. So again, it's Rufi, Alday, on behalf of Brandi Ross.